Hi everyone, it's last this day video about more interesting toy car which I buy soon, some days ago, sorry. It's Kenworth T700 with container, Kinsmart production. Scale, this with scale, yeah, not non-standard scale 1 to 68, but I was unpacking this before and that looks very great. Not so expensive. It cost I do not remember, lower than $10. $8. It cost $8 in my country. Maybe $9 in my country. It's not so expensive. And let's start to unpack this toy and watch what inside. Box without any logos like Kinsmart has. Maybe it's kind of like fake, I'm not sure. Right, what inside it has PET safety box for front end of the cab to prevent any crashings inside, I think. That's good know-how. And let's start to review that model. This with container on the bottom, on the rear, sorry. It's for this inertia. Yeah. Very easy for disassembly. Some parts are injection molded plastic, some parts are die casting, rubbers, very cool in details, different colors, painting logos. That's the reason why I buy it. It's very interesting for me, like for engineer. Let's overview container firstly. It has refrigerator with details on the front. It's plastic from plastic. Decals, stickers on the sides. It has similar on the sides, and on the top with Kenworth logo. Has a rear door which open it and you could insert small cars inside or any other toys. It's very interesting for kids play like this container when you have many small cars and you could transport it to somewhere. I think we will play today like I told you now. Very detailed wheels. It's from rubber and injection molded plastic, and rubber parts has very cool details. It has some details like pipes here. I don't know why they inserted here, but it's additional detail for this toy, which you could unscrew it and disassemble it. If you see, it's disassembled, but it's working like a detail here. Pin for connection track with container. Wheels. These wheels are also disassembled from container base. Unscrewed and disassembled. I could measure screws and maybe you are interested which screws I use it here. 2.5 millimeters screws. That's like wheels, looks like it's 4 wheels, 2 pairs of wheels. I could make disassembling before, and I know how to disassemble that wheels. Need to use some power, hand power, and you could disassemble it. You see it has a pin with knurling, knurling for connection with plastic insert. We could also disassemble it. These rubber wheels. You see, it's very cool. How to disassemble that? We have circle element. It's like disc. Need to use some pressing, press fit here, hole and pin. Need to use some pressing, and it's disassembled. And then we could disassemble another rubber tire. Ready? Rubber tires, wheels, plastic. That's assembled by press fit. You see, press fit and disassembled. Ready. Connected by press fit. This has knurling for better connection, for prevent any disassembling when kids playing by that toys. Okay, that's like container wheelbase looks like. Let's assemble this back. Firstly, it's tire mount on wheel. First tire ready. You see it's ready. Next, let's mount our tire on that disc. You see it's together, and let's make pressing fit and attach all wheels together. Insert pin inside of the wheelbase and use pressing for connect wheels with wheel rod. Hop. I will measure distances. Will be sure 41. It's on one distance. Ready. Let's back to container. I should disassemble container and show you what are inside of that. It has 2 screws. Not difficult for this mount. It has a base with ribs on the bottom. It's not details, but element of details. I don't know why they make that. Oh, because they need a floor. Yeah, because they need a floor and plastic consumption. Yeah, cool idea. And this disassembled more easily because it's pressing pin and holes. If you see, it has holes here, pin holes, and pins here. Press fit, and nothing, everything are connected without glue. Oh, because it also has drafts. I hope you see everything in my camera. Let's watch container cap or box, yeah, container box body. That's a rear door, also plastic. Container is not difficult. Container body has 2 screw pins. Thickness is, I think it's 2 millimeters. Yeah, 1.8 millimeters. It's not difficult part. Also for engineering. Alright, let's assemble it back. This container. Be careful for open door correctly. This should be aligned correctly inside. Yeah, something like that. Oh, it's connected well. Yeah, and door is opened and not falling down. Yeah, everything fine. And let's screw it. It's ready, and other parts, this pipes, tubes. It's ready. Wheel connection. Ready. And let's start to review more interesting. It's a truck, Kenworth T700, scale 1 to 68. Has logo of Kenworth. I'm not sure, do you see this logo in camera, but that has details. That's cool logo. Cool grill, front grill, cool front lights. It has T700 specification on the side doors. Also it has specification, company, country of production, model name, model number, scale on the bottom base. Used similar wheels like in container with details and similar assembly. Also it has Kenworth on the rear lights, rear element. Also detail specification. Tube has details, this has details. Interiors also has details. I will show interiors. That has also. Alright, let's disassemble it and overview it better. part by part. It has 2 screws on the bottom. Let's disassemble bottom base. That's like bottom base looks like. I will not disassemble wheels and tires because we are overviewed in container. Injection molded wheelbase. Not difficult open close mold. Has 1.2 millimeters thickness. Let's overview it. What inside? Which part we could disassemble? That is disassembled. You see, injection molding with chrome finishing, chrome painting with decals. Next, this interior is disassembled. It has sticker, or it's decal, yes, decal of pillow and I don't know English word. Sitting benches are glued to base. Do not has very cool details. Simple interior base. Injection molding, plastic, thickness 1 millimeter. What inside also is dashboard. Next part will be a dashboard. I will open doors for disassembled dashboard from cab. Dashboard has better details than other interiors. For that scale it's good. You see, it's painted also. It's very difficult hand painting. Injection molding part. Thickness 1.2 millimeters. And this will assemble it with interiors like that. It has hole, it has a pin, rectangle pin. And this will attach it, but it has a good clearance to prevent any assembling issues. Next, let's unmount this spring for door connection. That spring wire. Now doors are opened and closed freely. I could not unmount or disassemble other parts because other parts are stable here. About materials, this is metal, zinc or aluminum die casting. Slipper, this part, slipper is injection molding plastic. Injection molding plastic. Injection molding plastic. It's metal because it's full base plastic. Plastic window, rubber, rubber mirrors from this side and from that side, rubber. Plastic headlights, front lights, and plastic front grille with chrome. I like this model, it's very cool in details. And I think if you buy something to your kid, he will be surprised. All parts here are dismount I cannot disassemble it without crashing, but I will not do that. I hope you see how this connected in camera. You can see everything which I show you. Let's overview details from different views from front. All details here are cutting grooves, not extrudes. My opinion, grooves are more details than bosses, than embossed elements. My friend was make something like that, but model T800 for 3D printing. I hope in future I will find a company who I will working for and make something like that. Not only something like that, for different models, different cars, because I like making models of the cars in 3D, in SolidWorks, and this kind of like a hobby for me. And when hobby it's your work, it's very good. It gives you a pleasure. About thicknesses, metal thickness is 1.2 millimeters, but it's different because it has, maybe not different. Yeah, 1.2, 1.2. Alright, I think it's all. Let's assemble it back. Insert spring for doors keeping. Yeah, ready. Now doors are opened and closed with without any how to say. Let's insert dashboard and interior base. Has clearances, good clearances here. Let's assemble this rear element. Okay, and attach wheelbase, and then connect the screws. Okay, ready. I think to make this video some early, but don't have enough time for making that video. They are more freely, and I'm very happy to make that today. Alright, assemble it back. Everything working, and go to another cars. I hope I will buy them soon. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.